Within an S server, IP telephony endpoints are simultaneously connected to digital sets, IP sets, and CO trunks. How many DSPs are in use on the TNAP media processor using A? Option G. Codec. Option A. 15. Option B. 25. Option C. 30. Option D. 50. The correct answer is option A. An Avaya customer with a large contact center is IP enabling their SXX and will allow users to work from home via IP agent in the telecommuter mode. What is the minimum hardware required in the SXX to provide this application? Option A. 1 CLAN board only. Option B. 1 media processor board only. Option C. 1 CLAN and 1 media processor board. Option D. No hardware is required, only software. The correct answer is option A. Which terminology correctly describes the relationship between duplicated SES proxies? Option A. Active and backup. Option B. Active and standby. Option C. Primary and backup. Option D. Primary and standby. The correct answer is option C. Which two factors should you be cautious about in WAN bandwidth design? Choose 2. Option A. Fragmentation of the IP packet. Option B. Frame relay packet delivery intervals. Option C. IP packet fast Ethernet, FA, relationship. Option D. Maximum transmission units set to low levels. The correct answer is option A, D.